has been a lot of talk about the new trains, specifically about how they look. But for all this speculation, can we spot the Kenyan trains? Well, is it A, B, or C? I hope you said all three, because all of these locomotives will be operating on Kenya's standard gauge railway. Now, for the good part, we will be taking you through the purpose for all these different types of locomotives. Let us start with A, the shunting train. This shunting train is called a DF7G. A shunting train is used to move cargo and other locomotives and rolling stock within the station. It is definitely built for strength rather than agility and grace. Albeit overlooked, shunting freight at the railway station is a key part of the process, and the DF7G shall serve this function. The SGR shall acquire 8 DF7Gs to carry out shunting operations. So, for a face that only a mother could love, we get a strong workhorse that will move the nation. On to train B. This has been the popular one. A totally understandable situation. This belle of the ball was unveiled recently at the port of Mombasa. The DF8B, as it is known in technical circles, is the cargo train. It has the capacity to transport 216 TEU containers, double stacked onto each other. The SGR shall procure 43 such trains. Let us try to do that math. If 43 trains carry 216 containers in a day, how many crates of tomatoes can Mama Boy send to Mombasa port in a month? We will leave that mathematics to the experts. And this is one such math. What are the specifications of the DF8B?
The DF8B, so in China we call it a heavy-duty locomotive. So currently, it's a major type for the freight transportation around China, and also very nice performance and reliability. So if we compare the performance with the other countries, so for the traction effort, for the traction power, and also for the traction reliability, so the figure is very nice.
Then again, that is exactly as fast as a double-stacked cargo train should go if Mama Boy's tomatoes are to make it to Mombasa safely. And now, for the one we have all been waiting for, the passenger train. This here is the DF11G. Let me break it down for you. The DF11G is capable of ferrying 1,000 passengers in one trip, taking out 15 buses just like that. Plus, it covers the distance from Mombasa to Nairobi in 4 hours. Easy. That's what you call a game changer. We are expecting 5 of these trains. What are the specifications of the DF11G?
The DF11 got the outstanding achievement. So from the north part and the south part, and also even the desert, the region around China, so the deliveries are robust, the output to our customer.
How is the DF11G different from the other SGR trains?
This engine is twice as powerful and in horsepower capability, and also in speed.
What is considered when selecting a train?
There are specific requirements that you require to have met to be able to operate either of them, and specifically the electric engine. The electric engine requires you to have very reliable power supply, and that mostly would come from coal, or it would even come from nuclear. And right now, those systems have not been established in Kenya.
Is a particular train's intended function considered?
We have had a lot of due diligence work done on them. So So we are confident that the locomotives we are bringing on board are good quality. They operate elsewhere, they have been tested, and they will serve us very, very well.
Given that a train's intended function is a consideration when it comes to the train's shape and design, how is that applied to the SGR?
The shapes of these two locomotives, the freight train and the passenger train, have been designed with the double cabin. In this case, you will not require a driver to turn. We will not require to turn the locomotive using a turntable.
That has been quite informative. Let us recap. We have 3 trains, A, B and C. Shunting, cargo and passenger. These trains are perfect for our needs as a nation. With that said, I am sure that this year, when the train stations are open, we will all be able to spot the train.